We're living through what might generously be called a golden age of nonsense. Information comes at us from every direction, all day, every day, and a significant chunk of it is designed to mislead, manipulate, or just plain make things up. So, what do you actually do about that? This is Fake News, Propaganda, and Plain Old Lies: How to Find Trustworthy Information in the Digital Age by Donald A. Barclay. This book covers a lot of ground in a compact 248 pages. Barclay starts with the historical context of propaganda and misinformation, because fake news is not a new invention, not even close, before moving into the mechanics of how deceptive information actually works. He walks you through the tricks of the trade, how statistics get weaponized, how logical fallacies sneak past even sharp thinkers, and how confirmation bias makes fools of us all at one point or another. There's a genuinely useful chapter on the Dunning-Kruger effect that, depending on your mood, will either make you laugh or make you want to lie down. He also gets into more practical territory: how to evaluate sources, how to tell a credible expert from someone cosplaying as one, how to peer review works and why it matters, and, perhaps most usefully, how to navigate the digital landscape, including a surprisingly nuanced and fair assessment of Wikipedia. There's even a curated list of fact-checking resources. The approach throughout is nonpartisan and jargon-free, which is notable given how politically loaded this subject tends to get. Barclay isn't trying to tell you what to think. He's trying to give you better tools for doing the thinking yourself. Now, the honest drawback: this book was written by an academic, and it shows. Some sections drift into textbook territory, and if you're already reasonably media savvy, parts of it will feel like a refresher course that maybe you didn't need. It's best suited to students, educators, and people who feel genuinely lost in today's information environment. Less so for readers hoping for a breezy popular science ride. That said, if you're a teacher like myself, or a parent trying to raise a skeptical thinker, a student doing research, or someone who's been burdened by a misleading headline and wants to make sure it doesn't happen again, this book is genuinely practical and honest. It was an Amazon #1 new release when it first came out in 2018, and the problem it addresses has only gotten more relevant since. Recommend.